This question involves a little technique that we could utilize instead of going through the LCD or HCF or getting all caught up with that. You notice there's two sets of fractions, and we can consider this as, of course, the numerator and denominator function. So what we're going to do is resolve the numerator first and the denominator simultaneously, and then we'll solve. So here we go. The first step is we can multiply across and get y squared, multiply across and get minus x squared, and then that would be divided by the product, x squared, y squared. This concludes the first step in the numerator. We're going to do the same thing in the denominator section. We'll multiply to the left, multiply to the right, and then multiply across, giving you xy. What we've done is compressed the two parts of the rational expression in such a way that we can now factor and resolve. So my next step is we're going to resolve this piece, the y squared minus x squared, and you will get y minus x times y plus x, all divided by the x squared, y squared, further divided by y minus x over xy. Now you can see that things are moving in the direction that we want to for reduction. What we're going to do is you have a fraction divided by a fraction, and the best way to solve, a little trick here, is to flip and multiply. We would then have y minus x times y plus x. The xy comes up, and what is left below? You can see that this becomes part of the division, and we have a y minus x times x squared y squared. And you're almost there. Now take a look. What do you see? You can cancel, and you have one term in xy, which will cancel one of these, leaving you with an xy to the side, and you've got your answer. So we would have y plus x divided by xy. And there is your answer in factored form.